In this video, we're going to talk about the sigma notation. So the sigma notation is also known as the summation notation. As its name suggests, it calculates the sum of a sequence of functions. So it's denoted by the Greek letter sigma over here. And then the way it's structured is we have our start right here, our end over here, and our function right here, or the formula. What this sigma notation means is that it's going to go through n minus start plus 1 times, and each time it's going to add the function. So an example of this would be sigma from n equals to 1 to 15, and then we have fn. And from this formula, we would get f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus all the way to f of 15. So that is what it means to have this formula over here. Call how we have the arithmetic sequence Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times d, and also the geometric sequence Tn equals to a times r to the n minus 1. So basically, these two numbers over here can substitute into fn so that we can calculate the series, either the arithmetic series or the geometric series. And so let's do an example over here. So if we have 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus blah blah blah, we have 16 terms in total. So the whole series can be represented by sigma notation from n equals to 1 to 16, since we have to run through 16 terms, so basically 16 times. And then each time we have Tn, which is, so when n equals to 1, we have T1, which is the first term. When n equals to 2, we have T2, which is the second term. And all the way to when n equals to 16, which is T16, which is the last term. First of all, we have to calculate Tn equals to 3 plus n minus 1 times 3. So this formula over here can also be written as from n minus 1 to 16, and 3 plus n minus 1 times 3. And so this would be our formula for the whole series over here. So this sigma notation over here is useful in expressing and simplifying a series. However, it is not useful for calculating a series as Sn. So basically, if we want to write a series, we can just use this formula over here. But if we want to calculate the series, we have to use Sn. So now let's do an example with the geometric series. So for example, if we have 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24 plus all the way, and we have 15 terms over here. So how we can express this whole series is we have sigma from n equals to 1 to 15, and we have Tn, and since Tn equals to a times r to the n minus 1, which is 3 times 2 to the n minus 1, so this is also equal to from n minus 1 to 15, and the function would be 3 times 2 to the n minus 1. So over here is our formula for this geometric series. So that's it for the sigma notation. It is useful to express a series, however, it's not useful to calculate the series, as I said before.